Hey everybody, and welcome to the new fifth season of Flux. I'm very, very excited about this upcoming season. I wanted to share with you what's going to change, what's going to be new, and what you can expect on this new season here. So basically, I took some time off YouTube for about a month. I've been traveling a little bit with my family, taking some time off, which was incredible. It was time to spend time with them, which I'm very fortunate to be able to take with my kids, with my wife, and also kind of rejuvenate after a very stressful time in my work. And now that I'm back, I'm really excited to try something new with this YouTube channel. So I've been active on this YouTube channel for about 4 years now, and it started off kind of as a vlog showing behind the scene of my work, and then changed to me talking to the camera, teaching you stuff. But it was really never thoughtful, or it was just like a day-to-day. I had an idea for a video, I shot it. It was never really trying to think and plan ahead about how to create amazing videos for you. I did take some bigger initiatives, such as the Trust the Process documentary, which I shot on the last season, and I really liked the result of that. And so what I wanted to do now is I want to be more thoughtful about the content that I create for you. I want to take more time to plan out so that I can deliver really amazing videos for you to both educate, teach you new stuff, and also share part of my journey and how other designers are doing things around the world, so that you can learn and become a better designer, and also be just inspired about what's going on in the world of design, of web design and web development. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the format. I used to post daily 5 times per week, and I'm going to move away from that, as I said, so that I can spend more time on each individual video. I think that to begin with, at least for the next month, I'm going to tune it down into 2 videos per week, which are going to be published on Monday and Thursdays. So you can expect that at those times. And as I said, they're probably going to be a little bit longer, a little bit more thoughtful and in-depth in the way that I teach you stuff. And I still going to break it up from time to time with kind of like day in a life, or kind of travel vlogs when I'm traveling. I'm going to be in the US next month, in San Francisco and New York, and I want to share that kind of journey with me. And also, I know, and you've been telling me, and I engage with you in the comments, so I know that you love it when I do case studies. But because I don't do that much client work as I used to do, because I'm more focused on teaching right now, I want to share and kind of do collaborations around the case studies with other amazing designers. So I'm planning that, and I hope to bring you amazing case studies from other designers, so you can see really behind the scene in the process of how other amazing designers work. And hopefully you really like that and be able to learn together from how top designers around the world are working, thinking, and executing amazing design work. So looking forward to having you with us on this YouTube channel. As I said, Monday, Thursdays. You can also, I will be stepping up my Instagram game. So if you're not on Instagram yet, check out the link, or Ran Segal with 2 L's on Instagram. I'll be posting daily there as well, and sharing stories and website design reviews and that type of stuff. So be sure to follow there, and I will see you on the next video.